Hello guys, this is Mohsin AR from Signbox software. In this tutorial we will cover the last Java's loop is the do while loop. Unlike the for loop and the while loops in which the condition is tested at the top of the loop, the do while loop checks its condition at the bottom of the loop. This means that the do while loop will always execute at least once. The general form of the do while loop is, let me give you the syntax. So guys, this is syntax of do while loop. Although the braces are not necessary when only this one single statement is present, they are often used to improve readability of the do while loop construct, thus preventing confusion with the while loop. For the single statement we can also use do. This is for single statement. Now let's take an example in the do while loop. So guys, this is a example of a do while loop with the single statement and no braces. So that means the braces are not mandatory in do while loop. So now let's compile and see is there any error or not. There was a spelling mistake of a string. So there is a no any error if we do not pass open brace and curly brace, but for the readability we need to pass the open brace and curly brace. Now let's start this program, compiles, and enter any character W, enter any character E, enter any days Q, goodbye. So guys, this was a very simple example of do while loop. Guys, there is another loop in a Java which is sometimes called the for each loop or the enhance for loop. We will cover that later on when we will start topic array. So hope you understand the do while loop, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it, like this video, and thank you.